Hello everybody, Ben Hill with One Source Vend here, and today we are going to do a quick review how to vend from one of our newer style locker units. As with all of our newer style units, there are really two main components to the vend. The first being the touchpad, which is for logging in and then identifying the correct product that you would like to vend. And then there is the silver number pad, which is for actually entering the item selection itself, which will then help trigger the vend process. So you can log in using a barcode, RFID, or magstripe badge. I'm just using my PIN number here. And once you log in, you just have access to basically a map of the machine, the planogram. Now, at this point, you can use the silver number pad to enter any selection number, and it will allow you to vend. So I'll just go with 180 here. It'll allow me to enter a quantity, and I will check out. And you can see that the corresponding locker slot has opened. Now, what I can also do is click on the item just for information. I could vend from there as well. And even if I did vend or select a different item, see all that other information there, I could still enter that 180 number, and the earplugs will come back up. So again, the touchscreen is really just for identifying the correct product and then seeing all the information. And the silver number pad is to initiate the vending process itself. Hope this helps. Thanks.